Hello everyone. Bioenzyme cleaners are rapidly gaining popularity in the commercial cleaning industry. Here is how they can make your cleaning life easier. What are bioenzymes? Bioenzymes are made up of living, non-pathogenic bacteria, which create several types of non-living enzymes. These bacteria are alive but dormant. When diluted with water and/or encounter organic matter, these bacteria become active. They are also septic safe. How do they work? These bacteria create enzymes while reproducing themselves. The enzymes then bind with organic soiling, breaking them down. The bacteria digest these broken down organics, converting them into carbon dioxide and water, thus creating an endlessly looping cycle. How do they make my life easier? Bioenzymes excel in environments where organic soiling is prevalent, like bathrooms and kitchens. Ideal applications include areas with odor-causing organics like urine, animal waste, and rotting organics, as well as kitchen fats, oils, and grease. The magic of bioenzymes is that they are working 24/7. This means that if correctly maintained, your bathroom or kitchen will continually stay clean and odor-free even when you are not there. To ensure best results, just make sure you never rinse after cleaning with bioenzymes, thus allowing the bacteria that is left to work its magic. Thank you.